This is the perfect size Timbit. And this is a Timbit that's too large. 3 grams too large, to be exact. And this is a Timbit. It's too small. The person who made this one, they definitely didn't use enough dough. To be exact, it's 2 grams too small. This person should be fired. Okay, so here's the deal. I'm going to tell you a story about these 3 Timbits, but one of the things I'm going to tell you is going to be a mistake. It's not going to be true. It's going to be a lie. And I want to see, can you catch my lie? Can you find my mistake? Here goes. Are you ready? Here's the story. Since this donut is the perfect size, that should go where 0 is on the number line. Since this donut is 3 grams too large, that should go on the positive side of 0 at positive 3. And since this is 2 grams too small, that should go on the negative side of 0 at negative 2. And because this is 3 grams too large and this is 2 grams too small, that means that the big Timbit weighs 1 more gram than the small Timbit. There's my story. Did you hear any mistakes? Pause the video and tell your teacher if you heard any mistakes. Oh, here was my mistake. At the end of my story, I said that the big Timbit weighed 1 gram more than the small Timbit because 3 is 1 more than 2. That's not true. If we look at the distances on the number line, we can clearly see that it's much more than 1 gram too large. In fact, it's 5 grams too large because the distance between negative 2 and 3 on the number line is 5. If you caught that, great job. Let's try one more time. Only this time, I'm going to give you the story in written words. So here it is. Pause the video, read the story, and try to find the mistake. So, where was the mistake? If you said it was the last sentence right here, you got it. Amanda says that negative 4 5/10 will be lower than negative 5 because 4 5/10 is less than 5. We know when numbers are to the left of 0 or negative, they work in the opposite way. In fact, negative 5 is lower than negative 4 5/10. So, if you caught that, another great job. That's what your lesson's about today. Looking at written statements like this and determining whether or not there are any mistakes. So, have fun, Casey.